They are among the first deaths directly attributed to aid cuts imposed by US President Donald Trump. 8 people in South Sudan suffering from cholera who died last month on a 3-hour walk to seek medical treatment, according to Save the Children. The UK-based charity blames the deaths on Trump's cuts, which it says forced local services to close. Here's Save the Children's South Sudan country director, Christopher Niamandi.
Generally, we are receiving less and less funding from all donors, including the European donors, right? But the US funding generally was the more drastic because the implication was funding that we actually secured, where we were actually implementing and delivering services and doing work, and we had to stop on those activities.
He added that there should be, quote, global moral outrage that the decisions made by powerful people in other countries have led to child deaths in just a matter of weeks. Experts have warned the cuts, including the cancellation of more than 90% of USAID's contracts, could cost millions of lives in coming years due to malnutrition, AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and other diseases. The US State Department said it did not have information about the reported deaths. A spokesperson said many US government programs remained active, but support for medical services had also been used to enrich the country's leaders. South Sudan's government has acknowledged a significant amount of public corruption, but denied specific accusations of graft. Save the Children supported 27 health facilities in eastern South Sudan until earlier this year. The US cuts forced 7 to shut completely and 20 to close partially, the organisation said in a statement. Over a third of South Sudan's roughly 12 million people have been displaced by either conflict or natural disaster. The United Nations says the country could also be on the brink of a new civil war after fighting broke out in February in the northeast. A cholera outbreak declared last October has caused hundreds of deaths, the World Health Organization has said.